Hello and welcome back to the channel hardreset.info, and today let's discuss how to get free money on AliExpress. So AliExpress doesn't just give out cash. What they offer are discounts, coupons and coins that work like free money when you shop. So first of all, you should check in the AliExpress application every single day. So go to your account at the bottom right corner of your screen and go to section coins. That basically looks like coin icon, and here you can check in daily to earn some coins, and as you can see, every single day the number of coins will even increase. Also, you can play some games in order to earn some coins, and you can press button earn more coins in order to see some tasks that you can complete to earn some more coins. And how to basically use them: you need to go to some item, let me show you, and proceed to checkout page, and then you should scroll down to section saved, tap here, and you can see that I have used 5 coins for this item and I've got my little discount. Another way is to look out for big events like 11 November, Black Friday, or even anniversary day of AliExpress, and also some seasonal sales. AliExpress runs promotion games where you can win coupons that work like free credit at the checkout. And third, you should always check for the coupons section. So let me go back to that item, and if the item supports coupons, you will see it below the photos. So here is the line that is highlighted red. This is basically coupon section, and here's the coupon that I can use on this item, but I need to meet some requirements in order to use it. So to get $1 discount, I need to spend at least $8 on this product. And also I can here tap collect and use it at my checkout. And also we have videos on our channel how to do it, how to use your coupons. So if you're willing to know how to do it, I highly recommend you to go to our channel and look and see how it works. So yeah, that's basically the main things that I wanted to say. And if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content just like this.